On-screen title, Creating Automations from Templates.
Users with the Automation Creator role can create automations in the Analytics or Qlik Talent Data Integration Activity Center by clicking Automations.
Automation templates are pre-built automations that you can use out of the box with minimal configuration. Templates also help you see the logic of a certain workflow. You can customize a template by swapping out automation and connector blocks while keeping the same design of the template. Some of the common business workflow templates include automatically reload your apps, trigger alerts and messages on common communication platforms, manage your master items across apps, react to reload failures, backup apps to external storage locations. Templates are organized by recently used and favorites. To add a template to your favorites, hover over the template tile and click the star icon. Most of the templates include connectors that integrate third-party cloud applications and services. To use those connectors, you must authenticate the connection.
In this example, we show you how to build an automation to reload an app and notify your team in Slack. In the Start block, select the Run mode. In this case, we select the manual option. In the Do Reload block, use the Do Lookup function to find your app ID. Select the Wait for Reloads to Complete block. In the Get App Information block, the app ID is pre-filled with the app ID of the Do Reload block. The Condition block uses the If condition to evaluate if the condition is true, so the message will be sent to the Slack channel. Select the Send Message in the Slack block. Select the Connection tab and click the Connect Your Slack button. Allow Qlik Application Automation permission to access your Slack workspace. Then select the connection you've just created. Click the Apply for All Slack Blocks button. This will fill in the other Slack block with the connection details. Then, in Inputs, select the channel that you want to send the message to. In the Text field, there's a pre-configured message that advises that the app was reloaded successfully. For this example, leave the output as it is. The second message instead sends the logs as a message. Now let's also fill in the No branch of the condition, leaving the default messages and just adding the Slack channel that you want to send the messages to. When done, click Run. As the automation executes, the History section opens, showing the status of the automation. Now let's open the Slack channel to see the result. As you can see, the app was not reloaded successfully. And in the log file, you can see the error that causes the reload fail. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.